So I was gonna go out of town in a little bit for a couple weeks, and I just wanted to show everybody my plant watering setup. This is computer controlled, and it's all kind of just sprawled out on the floor right here, actually. Um, what I have here is a Shiva plug, which is a embedded Linux device. It's kind of an ARM-based processor thing. It's got Ethernet that I can log in remotely, and then it has USB, which I have connected to this USB to serial converter. Runs through this cable, and then the DTR pin of the serial converter plugs or connects to this transistor right here. It's that transistor right there. It runs through that resistor up at the top to limit the current going into the transistor, and that turns on the relay. And the reason I used a transistor instead of just driving the relay straight from the pin is because there's not enough current provided by the USB port and by the adapter to be able to click the relay on. So I have house current coming in here that runs to the other side of the relay, and I'm definitely going to tape this up a little better once I'm done here. That goes to this plug. I didn't have a I didn't have an actual socket for it, so I just kind of taped it on there, and because I made this out of stuff I had laying around. So that runs up here to this air pump, and that's actually what drives the water into the plants. But we'll show that in a second. Let's watch this work. So I've secure shelled here into the plug computer, into the Shiva plug, and all you have to do to toggle the DTR pin high is cat the TTY. So I'm just going to do that. Hit that, and you should have heard the pump turn on. You can hear there's actual air coming out of this tube. And to kill that, all I have to do is come back and just Control C. And that ends that. So what happens here with this pump, it drives air into this water bottle. This is not hooked up right now, but if it was, that would be in there. And it drives air into this water bottle, and that forces the water, via this siphon tube that's in there, forces the water out through here. I have a bunch of these little T's. It kind of goes to every plant. I've made like a loop here, and then drilled some holes in there so that the water kind of trickles out. And these ones here, I just have the tube going right in there. I've melted and then crimped the end of the tube, and then drilled a really small hole so the water will still just trickle out and it won't hog all the pressure. Same thing here, same kind of loop deal. So that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that, and you know, just that's what you can build with stuff you have laying around.